Page 179. This is number 4 at the bottom of the page. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. This piece typically can have some really interesting chords, some really other kinds of chords, but they're sticking with the primary chords. And here, instead of chord names, they're giving you the numbers underneath. So, let's see what we get. Now I see one flat, we're in the key of F major, or D minor. It's an F major. It ends on an F here. It's an F major. 4/4 time signature. I want to hear the melody first, and I'm going to try and connect everything. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This is what I'm going to do. Okay. Now in measure 6, you're here, but in measure 7, I need to be up here. So I need to prepare that note. I don't want to use fifth finger on both. Technically I could, it's the end of a phrase, I can lift up and move, but I think that's a poor fingering. I would rather not. However, in measure 6, I got all these repeated notes. I just changed hand positions to one of them. I end up on a third finger, now I'm ready. And I'm in this position for a while. And then 4. I did that quickly on the third line down because you're here. 1 and 2 and 3 and then I scrunch up a little bit. We're changing hand positions. We're getting ready. Because then I need the little finger for the D. And then scrunch up again because I'm going to end up in this position for the last line. I can't talk. I need more coffee. Okay. So that's the melody. Now the chords. Well, the 1 chord in F major is an F chord. And the 4 chord at same position we've been doing. And then later on you get the 4 chord, and then at the end of the line you get a 5 chord. That's really a 5/7 chord, but a 5 chord would be that. But according to those little numbers they're giving us, we want a fifth, an interval of a fifth, and an interval of a sixth. That makes it a 5/7 chord. Then I put it together with the melody to hear what it sounds like. If I play the chords down here, they're muddy. So the hands are close together here, so what I'm going to do is move the right hand up here so the hands are farther apart because I want to hear it better. I can hear it better here. The idea, I'm just playing the chords, one block chords within this arrangement. And once that works out, then I can think about their pattern. They want half notes, and they went down here. Yuck. And so half note 1. Now I'm only playing a chord anytime it changes. So on some of these notes, like second measure, you could play half notes if you wanted to, but I'm just playing a whole note in the left hand. That sounds terrible. This is supposed to be a sad song. Not exactly a party piece, but I still think maybe a different pattern in the left hand might experiment. Maybe just top and bottom. Experiment with the different thing. You don't have to always play all the notes, whatever. Then they want you to transpose this to G major. Okay, well, we're in F major. They're going to go up to G major, just one note up. So instead of one flat, now we're in one sharp. G major has one sharp, and the chords are that. Now, it's harder to play finger numbers when you're moving around. But if you can kind of get the idea of just raising the note in the music up one note mentally. So instead of an A, play a B. And instead of a C, play a D. If you can just raise the note in the music up one note, then just play in the key you're in, which a G major has one sharp, F sharp, otherwise they're all white notes. So here it was just here. And then here. I'm just playing the note up one instead of an A. This is measure 13. Instead of an A, I'm playing a B. Now it has to be a B natural because I'm in the key of G major and it has B naturals. That's all I'm doing. And then I just add the chords for G to it, so it's here. That's all we're doing here is play around. I still think you can do other things with this left hand, other patterns that might work better than half notes. It's up to you.